My name is Grace Brereton. This is my project for CT5061 IoT development. It is an intrusion detection and security alerting system. If I press restart, you can see that the Arduino begins to connect to the Wi-Fi. This DC motor shows that the system is currently setting up, so it's not enabled or disabled. Once the Wi-Fi connects, the alarm will automatically be enabled. It has connected to the Wi-Fi and the time has been set because it's now able to gather the time from the NTP server. It's also connected to the Arduino IoT Cloud, which is our cloud server for this project. This project's using an Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. This is because it's got an onboard ESP32, which means that it can use Bluetooth and Wi-Fi without any additional modules. And it's got an onboard real-time clock, which allows us once again to not have to add any more modules. We're going to test turning off the alarm with 3 different sorts of cards. We've got a MasterCard, we've got a valid card, and we've got an invalid card. Starting with the MasterCard, we can see here that the distance is currently varying between 2 and 3 centimeters. If we move this object backwards to at least further than 10 meters, you can see that the alarm has started and the time has been displayed on the serial monitor. We've got the LED flashing and the buzzer buzzing. This LCD shows the time of the intrusion and an intrusion warning. If we use the MasterCard to turn off the alarm, the LCD will go green to show that the card has been accepted, and a message with alarm disabled will show up to show that the alarm has been turned off. We can see here that the DC motor now shows that the alarm has been disabled. We are also able to re-enable the system with this same MasterCard. So if I scan it, the light will go green and a message will say alarm enabled. This DC motor has now also changed. We can now conduct the same test but using the valid tag instead of the MasterCard. With the alarm enabled, you can move the object further away. The alarm will go off. The LCD will show the intrusion time and an intrusion warning, and if you scan the tag, it will go green to show that the tag has been accepted and that the alarm has been disabled. You can see that the alarm here has also been disabled. But if you try and use the tag to re-enable the system, the LCD will go red to show that the card has not been accepted, because only the MasterCard is able to re-enable the system. If we now do this same test with the invalid tag, we can see that the alarm system will not accept this invalid tag to turn the alarm off. The LCD will go red to show that it has not been accepted, and we will have to turn it off with the MasterCard. The system is also set up with the Arduino IoT Cloud. This allows us to have this dashboard. The alarm state variable here changes to on when the alarm has been triggered and can go back to off when it's been turned off. This line graph shows the intrusions when they occur with the correct time and date. It will be set to 1 when there is an intrusion and goes back to 0 when it's gone. If we trigger the alarm by moving this object backwards, we can see that the alarm has gone off. We've got an intrusion message in the time, we've got the LED and the buzzer, and we can see that this dashboard has changed to say that the alarm state is on, and it's come up on the line graph with the time and date right here. This dashboard also allows us to send notifications or emails to a certain email address or device. If we trigger the alarm to go off by moving this backwards, we can once again see that the alarm is going off. This graph and status have now changed, and we also, down here, get a notification come in with the date and time of this intrusion.